time that you need to rehabilitate so that this country can go in the right way, because people are likely to be swallowed into the nonsense of one individual saying that I'm being attacked and this, that, the other. There's nothing like that has happened. The police have been very busy today. We do not have any police officer who has time, because they've been guarding people's property and people's lives, because there has been maandamano that has affected their lives. So therefore, I want to tell Mr. Uhuru Kenyatta, we respect you. Please respect yourself. Reciprocate the respect we have for you to yourself, not even to us. Even we know you don't respect us. You have said it right now that you did not support this government, and it is why you fought the government. It is why you still keep fighting the government. It has never crystallized in your head that William Ruto is now the president. The seat that you held and you keep telling us to respect you, that presidency is now occupied by none other than Dr. William Samoei Ruto. Please respect the presidency. Please. That respect you're asking for the presidency, please reciprocate. You may not respect Dr. William Samoei Ruto. You must respect the seat he holds, because that is a seat that unites this country. And that is a demand that we shall not stop demanding of you. We must ask you to respect that seat of the presidency. Na sisi kutoka sasa tunasema sasa, Rais Ruto aheshimiwe. Asante sana. And I'm also saying, this money you're using to finance maandamano, see, you tumie your pesa, you get private security. G4S will charge you very little money to give you protection. If you do not think that there's a government in place that can protect you, if you do not feel protected by this government as it is, stop financing maandamano, use that money, get private security, get your goons, the ones you are here in fighting for the majority leaders sit with, get Gaucho and other people, let them protect you. And we have many firms that are now going to protect you and give you security if you think that 100 police officers are not sufficient for you. So please, stop treating us to drama. Wewe enda utulie kidogo, kunywa maji, kunywa maziwa, itakufaa, alafu hii maneno utaanza kuona things for what they really are. What you are seeing right now are hallucinations, and I will send you a clip on your phone. You will now see what drugs do to people. They give you hallucinations.